Today we will be making pyaz kachori in Alwar style. The first step is to take maida, salt, ajwain, oil and then mix it well. We'll then add some water and form a soft dough out of it, which will keep for about 20 to 30 minutes to rest, and meanwhile we'll prepare the masala for it. In a karai, we'll add 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of sauf and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. We'll stir it in low to medium flame and let it crackle for some time. Then we'll add it into the grinder and form a powder out of it for our pyaz masala. Then we'll take 4 onions and chop it well. We'll take 4 potatoes for the masala as well. We'll form a garlic and raw mango paste. You can also use amchur powder instead of the raw mangoes. In a karai, we'll add the oil and the masala which we've prepared and also the garlic paste which we have made. We'll cook it in low to medium flame and then we'll add the chopped onions to it. We'll cook until it's golden brown. We will then add some salt, sugar, 1 tablespoon of sattu or besan, some black salt and the mashed potatoes. We'll mix it well and the masala is almost ready. We'll form 4 to 5 balls of the masala and 4 to 5 balls of the maida. We'll take the maida balls and roll it out nicely and thick. We'll not flatten it to very thin discs because that would result in the masala coming out. We'll put the masala ball in between and then we'll lock the masala ball inside the maida very well so that the masala does not come out while frying. We'll lock it well and then we'll apply some maida powder and then roll flat discs out of it. When we'll fry, the kachoris will automatically fluff and become round. You'll see it when we'll fry. This is how you make the flat discs out of it. We will then fry it in low flame after the oil is very hot. You can see the kachoris have fluffed up. This is how our kachori looks. Nice, crispy. We've cut it into 2 parts to show you how it looks from inside. We've served with curry and 2 chutneys. Do try our recipe and give us a review.